got it. I got it. Maybe.
Wesley, who's that from?
Evan.
It's from Evan.
Me, Santa Claus.
You're Santa Claus?
Yes.
Well, Santa Claus, did you get me a Christmas present?
Wesley, no, Rebecca.
I've been a good little girl.
But you're big.
I'm big. Oh, okay.
I only deliver presents for little kids.
For little kids. Well, okay. That makes sense. Goodbye.
The mortar and pestle.
That one's only about 40 years old.
No. Bubble.
Well, that's big.
Pull a horn. Bubble wrap.
It's to put in your pharmacy shop someday.
Oh, that's awesome. 1771. That is cool. I'm making your medicine right now. Say ah.
Actually, it was made by Paul Revere.
Oh,
Look at her.
no.
The birds are coming.
I wished it could be by Paul Revere, honey. In our heart, it's by Paul Revere. Silver maker. And that's brass, but yeah, he was a silver maker. Candlesticks and
Perfect. First one.
Santa Claus said that he only brings presents to the little kids.
The little kids?
To the little
No
kids.
socks for me this year?